Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Canva with your Google Drive. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Canva application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to open up my design on Canva. Okay, I have just created this design guys, and I'm going to show you how we can connect our Canva with Google Drive so we can get photos or video from the Google Drive. Okay, to connect the Canva with Google Drive, you can go to the Canva apps. Okay, and then we can go to the Discover. Okay, select Discover, and then you're going to scroll all the way to the right until you find Import Your Media. Okay, and here you need to select Google Drive, and just hold on. Okay, we're going to click on Connect to connect our Canva to Google Drive. Okay, and since I have logged into multiple accounts on my mobile phone, I need to select one of them. For example, I'm going to choose this Google account. Okay, click on Continue. Okay, and we need to select with Canva integrations can access, and then I'm just going to select all. Okay, then click on Continue. Okay, and hold on guys, it's still loading. Okay, I'm going to click on Continue. Alright, and now my Canva has been connected to my Google Drive, and then I'm going to go to my Drive, and for instance I'm going to add photo or video from my Google Drive. I'm just going to pick random photos right here. Okay, for example I'm going to add this photo, and then I'm going to click on Add to Design. Okay guys, and now photos from my Google Drive has been added to this design. Okay, and this is the result. Wait, I'm going to delete. Okay guys, and that's all the way to connect our Canva to Google Drive. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.